Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best of the best in the world of sandals, the Spenco Women's Fusion Slim Slide Sandal. If you're looking for comfort, style, and performance, this might just be your next favorite pair of shoes. First off, let's talk about why the Spenco Fusion Slim Slide Sandal stands out. Spenco, a brand known for its orthopedic-grade footwear, brings its A-game with these sandals. They're designed to offer all-day comfort, which makes them perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on their feet or is recovering from an active day. The full-contact comfort footbed provides excellent support, making these sandals ideal for long walks or just kicking back and relaxing. The sandals are made with a durable rubber sole, ensuring they grip surfaces well and prevent slipping. This non-slip feature is crucial for those who need that extra assurance when walking, whether it's on smooth floors or a rainy day. Additionally, they have a slip-on closure, which means no fumbling with straps, just slide your foot in and go. The Fusion Slim Slide Sandal is water-resistant, which means it's ready to tackle any spontaneous splashes, making them perfect for poolside lounging or trips to the beach. Whether you're just stepping out for a quick errand or spending the day in the sun, these sandals are versatile enough to keep you comfortable and stylish throughout. One of the best things about this sandal is its lightweight construction. Spenco kept comfort and convenience in mind by designing a sandal that won't weigh you down. You'll feel like you're walking on clouds, even after hours of use. Not to forget, Spenco offers these sandals in a range of sizes, including wide options, to ensure that everyone can find their perfect fit. The stylish black color means you can pair them with almost any outfit, whether it's a casual summer dress or your go-to pair of shorts. So, whether you're seeking the ultimate in arch support, looking for a comfortable slide for all-day wear, or just need something that'll help you recover after a long, active day, the Spenco Women's Fusion Slim Slide Sandal ticks all the boxes. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products out there. Stay comfortable, stay stylish, and we'll see you next time.